tell you something about the wheel today. Normally, if you spin $1, you get a second spin. And that second spin is worth $25,000 if you can spin a second dollar. Well, today, since it's Dream Car Week, if you get $1 on your second spin, if you're in that second spin, you get the $1, you're not getting $25,000, but instead, we're going to give you this 2016 BMW 320i sedan worth over $35,000. Go ahead, Mary, good luck. Try to get $1 in your first spin to get that second spin for the car. Anybody want to say hello to?
I have 2 girls, Kelsey, Kylie, my 2 grandbabies, Aaron, Aaliyah, my husband, Billy, and everybody in Texas.
Everybody in Texas. 95, 85, 10, 45, 70.
I'll stay.
Right over there. Come over here, Ryder. Good luck, man. Gotta beat a 70. Here it comes. I have ideas going to get spent. Who do you want to say hello to?
My sister Greta, Lois, Angela, and my mom at home, Gloria Flowers.
Hi, everybody. All I got to do is beat a 70. There's an 80. That'll do it. 75 will do it. 95 will do it. 85 will do it. 90 will do it. Stop! Oh, man. One more spin. Try to stop it on the 80. I don't have powers of telekinesis like I used to. I wish I could stop it with my brain. 35. All you need is a 40 to take the lead. 65, you get a chance for that car. 65 gives you a chance for that car. 65 gives you a chance for the car. 65 gives you a chance for the car. You got a $1. You just got a $1. Congratulations. You got a $1. Way to go. Right over there. Roderick just got himself a chance to win the BMW. Good luck. Well, Samuel, go tie it up. We've got ties on the $1 before. It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. Who do you want to say hi to?
I want to say hi to my friend Skelly, Laura, Zach, my mom, Mitzi. I love you, Mommy. Let's do this.
Here we go. He loves his mom. Let's give him $1. There goes $1. That's the speed is looking pretty good, actually. Speed's looking pretty good. Come on, baby. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Stop. Stay right there. Stay right there, Samuel. Roderick, you're going to be first. So, $1 tie. You both have a chance to win the car. I mean, we could give away 2 cars right now if they both spin $1. Now, you each just got $1,000, and you get 1 spin of the wheel, and that's it. Just 1 spin. Now, if the wheel lands on 5 or 15, you get $10,000. If you land on the $1, you get the car, $35,000 car. Now, you can both win the car. If you tie it up again, we'll have a spin-off. Regardless of what happens, if you don't get the money or the car, high number goes to the showcase. So win money or the car, or get a high enough number to go to the showcase. Or both if you get the car. Go ahead, Roderick. 1 spin of the wheel. Here we go. Let's see some magic. Let's see some magic. Good luck, man. Here we go. I mean, just to have a chance to win this thing is pretty good. There's only 2 people in the world right now that have a chance to win this like this, and it's you 2. Man, the speed is looking good. Speed is looking, oh, it might be a little too fast. It might be a little too fast. Oh, passed it. Let's hope for a good number. Stop on 60, stop on 60. Oh, 20. Right over there, man, you got a 20. Let me reset this for you. It's got to start at the 5. There you go. Go ahead and get it, Samuel. 1 more chance to give away this car. Good luck, Roderick. Good luck, Samuel. Here we go. There it goes. How's the speed?
1 more.
How's the speed?
Keep it going.
Gotta be a 20.
Keep it going.